Translating your ideas from concept to reality is easier than ever with a streamlined schematic editing environment in SOLIDWORKS PCB. Your multi-sheet schematics are organized, easy to understand, and easy to access in a hierarchical structure. Your schematics are logically and physically organized in a way that lets you design smarter and faster with less headaches. A detailed and customizable electrical rule check system in SOLIDWORKS PCB keeps your schematics error-free during your design process. Easily customize a connection matrix to ensure proper connectivity in your design. Choose specific error check settings from the detailed list of predefined checks. Making the most informed part selections during your schematic design process is simple with real-time supplier data. Access real-time component supply chain information and pricing instantly, getting you the best possible price to meet your specific budget requirements. When it comes time to start a new design, shave hours off your setup process with saved schematic templates and components in your SOLIDWORKS PCB libraries. Easily combine and manage all of your libraries in one single location with parts that you know and trust from successful past projects.